Well, just look at that. Now the tide has receded slightly, you can see just how desperately damaged this track is. This is the main route between South Devon and into Cornwall. But just look, the groundworks that supported the line have been completely washed away by the tide, just leaving the track there suspended, hanging in the air like some kind of theme park ride, isn't it? Let's talk to the man who's been assessing the damage, trying to work out how on earth they repair this. Patrick Hallgate from Network Rail. I mean, how long is this going to take?
It's very difficult to say at the moment. Obviously, from the high tide, it's very difficult to do a full assessment of the works. Off the top of our head at the moment, we'd say it's 4 to 6 weeks worth of work, but as I say, there's damage like this in about 3 or 4 separate locations at the moment, and until we can get in and give a proper structural assessment, it really is too early to say.
I mean, how serious is this? How does this rank in terms of the kind of situations that you have to try to remedy?
I'd say this is probably the biggest structural engineering feat we've faced in the southwest for at least the last decade. The local teams working here have said this is the worst damage they've seen in their careers to the seawall. But obviously we're absolutely keen to make sure that as quickly as possible we can restore this for the communities of Dawlish.
Okay, thank you very much indeed. Let's just come back. I'll leave you with another shot of it as the tide comes in and keeps battering. There we go, those waves hitting it. Wonder whether the line itself can survive another high tide later today as it just keeps coming and hitting that line.